Hello everyone and welcome to Geography 2812. My name is Nick Gastelle. I will be the TA for the course. My contact information and office hours are listed on the syllabus, so feel free to contact me with any questions. So to get started for Lab 1, we want to install Adobe Creative Cloud, and we want to get there by typing in creativecloud.adobe.com. And this download will be free with your App State login. It is free for students, so there is no charge. Once you get to this page, you want to click on Download Creative Cloud. You'll see the installer on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And once that's all set up, you want to go ahead and click it. It might ask you if you want to allow it to make changes to your computer, go ahead and click yes if that comes up in a pop-up. And so from here, you want to continue. You will have to log in with your App State credentials the same way you log into As You Learn. And so you want to just make sure you click student, you can skip the next question, and then you can click continue from here. And so after you log in, I already have this downloaded, so it skipped a couple steps, but after you log in, this is the screen it will take you to, and you want to go ahead and install Acrobat DC. And while that is installing, go ahead and create a folder for this lab. So put it somewhere that you're going to remember. You want to go ahead and create a class folder and then create a Lab 1 folder within there. So I have a Geography 2012 folder already made, and I'm going to create a Lab 1 folder. And we will come back to this later when we download our maps, and I will show you in another video how to upload this to UDesk. And once that is installed, you will see it here under installed, and it should say up to date. And you can go ahead and minimize this and go back to the browser. So from Google Chrome, we are going to navigate to National Map, and more specifically, viewer.nationalmap.gov/basic. When you enter that in, it'll take you to this page. The first thing we want to do is click on US Topo. We want to unselect US Topo Current and select US Topo Non-Current. And after that, come over to the search bar on the right and type in Boone NC. And it will bring you to a more zoomed in map of Boone. From here, you want to click on Search Products. And so we're going to scroll through. You are looking specifically for this file. So it'll read USGS, US Topo, 7.5 minute map for Boone NC 2016. The date should be 6/30 through 10/15. If you want to click on footprint, you can see the box highlights the area that we will be looking at. And so from here, to answer questions 2 and 3, go ahead and click on info/metadata, and it will bring up another page with information about the file. And once you're done with that, to actually download, come down and right click on download PDF, and you want to click on save link as. This will bring up your folder, so navigate back to where you saved your Lab 1 folder, and you can just name this US Topo Boone. Anything really that will let you know what it is, and go ahead and click save, and you'll see that download right down there. For part 2 of the lab, we are going to be looking at some coordinate systems. So once you have that downloaded and named, go ahead and right click and go down to open with Acrobat DC, and it will bring you here. There might be a couple pop-ups, or it might ask you to log in again, but none of those are necessary for what we need. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and zoom in to 100%, and you want to read the information at the bottom of the page here to help better understand the map and help answer the questions. And the only other thing you'll need from me is, so if your layers view isn't already up, you can click on these stacked squares and that will bring up the layers. You want to expand all the drop-down menus and make sure everything is selected except for contours and images. So that is what it'll look like. And the rest of the questions can be answered from the Lab 1 document. When you're ready to submit, make sure you save it as a PDF and submit with your As You Learn username and _Lab 1.